Decreasing bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol. Okay, your standard labs, HDL, LDL, are just not good enough. You need to know what kind of LDL you have. You need to know, is it big fluffy LDL, which is not damaging, or is it small particle LDL, which is very damaging? So you really need to get a better defined lab work. So maybe go look it up online. What is the blood test for small particle LDL? You want to know what your small particle LDL is. You don't want to lower your big fluffy LDL. Not all LDL is bad. Raising HDL is good. Omega-3 fish oils raise HDL. Exercise raises HDL. Any kind of exercise is great. So you really need to educate yourself a little bit more on the LDL thing before you decide you want to bring your numbers down. And the statin drugs are really damaging to the body, and they are getting people way too low on those statins. And you need cholesterol for every function in the body. Every cell needs cholesterol. Your brain is 60% fat and needs a ton of cholesterol. So we're seeing side effects from the statins. Want to get recipe and tips directly to your inbox? Sign up at divinefarmerhealth.com.